Class 1 faced off against Class 7 in an intense basketball match. The score remained close throughout the game, but thanks to Jang Roxy's final three-pointer, Class 1 narrowly clinched the victory. The boys lifted Jang Roxy up and tossed him into the air repeatedly to celebrate, while the cheerleaders came forward to congratulate the team. Siami, squeezed into the crowd, cheered along excitedly. However, as she was shouting, a basketball flew over from a distance. Although she tried to dodge, she ended up twisting her ankle and collapsed to the ground. Everyone rushed over to check on Siami. Fan Yuan prepared to carry her to the infirmary, but Xie Yuhan pushed him aside. Then, Zhang Roxy came running, pushed Xie Yuhan out of the way, and immediately carried Siami on his back to the infirmary. The school nurse advised Siami to rest for a few days and avoid going to the basketball court to watch matches. Lunchtime became especially lonely for her as she was alone in the classroom. Lin Role offered to quit the cheerleading team to stay and accompany her, but Siami refused, not wanting to weaken the class's morale. Fan Yuan brought Siami some snacks, which surprised her. She had thought Fan Yuan would bring her study materials to help her get ahead academically, but seeing the snacks made her even happier. Meanwhile, Zhang Roxy, knowing that Siami missed the action on the basketball court, gifted her a pair of binoculars. During the next match, every time Zhang Roxy scored, he waved at Siami's classroom window where she was watching with her binoculars. By the end of the game, Class 1 had decisively won the championship. After a round of celebrations, the homeroom teacher successfully petitioned the school to cancel evening study sessions for the day. Afterward, Zhang Roxy asked Siami for a reward. Unsure of what to do, Siami asked him what he wanted. Zhang Roxy suggested she cook him a meal, pointing out that his parents would be away over the weekend, giving her a perfect chance to show off her cooking skills at his house. Over the weekend, Siami arrived at Zhang Roxy's house on time. Zhang Roxy had prepared a fridge full of ingredients. Siami decided to cook braised pork belly. However, as she poured oil into the pan, she slipped and fell. In the nick of time, Zhang Roxy rushed over and cushioned her fall. After cleaning up, Zhang Roxy took over cutting the meat while Siami tried to heat the oil again. This time, she accidentally added cold water to the hot oil, causing it to splatter everywhere. Once again, Zhang Roxy stepped in to handle the situation. When the meal was finally done, Zhang Roxy's hands were covered in blisters from burns. Xiami felt deeply guilty. She had hoped to complete the dish on her own, but it had turned out to be Zhang Roxy who saved the day. Although he claimed he didn't know how to cook, Zhang Roxy was clearly more skilled than Xiami. After the meal, Xiami's mom came to pick her up. Zhang Roxy took the opportunity to praise Xiami enthusiastically to her mother. Xiami later went shopping with Lin Roli. The two spotted the same bracelet and both liked it. Xiami let Lin Roli have it, but after paying, Lin Roli immediately placed the bracelet on Xiami's wrist instead. Touched, Xiami became emotional. Ever since middle school, when some classmates mocked her, she had always gone shopping alone. Having Lin Roli not only accompany her but also share something she liked made Xiami tear up with gratitude. The two continued shopping for accessories and planned to take some photo booth pictures afterward. Xiami realized she had left her backpack at the accessory store and went back to retrieve it. While waiting outside, Lin Role suddenly spotted a familiar face and hurriedly ran into the restroom to hide. The man followed and stood outside the restroom, calling out, Lin Jinfeng. Lin Role stayed silent, only emerging after she was sure he had left. She didn't mention the encounter to Xiami. Afterward, the two took many photo booth pictures together. Later, Xiao Juni invited the group to play a game of real-life laser tag. Xiami cut her bangs for the occasion, but Zhang Roxy commented that her previous hairstyle looked better. He even playfully messed up her new hair. Meanwhile, Xiao Juni and Wang Xiaoyu bickered and joked around. When Jie Yuhan arrived, she noticed that Zhang Ruoxi and Xiami were both wearing denim jackets, making them look like a couple in matching outfits.